Alright, logarithms, word problems application. So in this exercise we have a problem to solve, and we will be using exponential equations and logarithms to solve that exponential equation. So a car loses its value by 15% per year. So at the end of year 1, you're going to lose 15% in the year of the original price. At the end of year 2, you are going to lose 15% of 85%, which was the price reduced by 15% at the end of year 1. So at the end of year 3, you will be losing 15% of the price from the previous year. So the relationship is non-linear here. So this is rather a geometric regression where a common ratio is 0.85, because when you lose 15%, you get to keep 85%. So let me show you a little explanation here. So arbitrarily, we have decided that let the sticker price of a car be $20,000, and this should help you to see when you have real numbers applied in the process. So 15% off reduces to 17,000 at the end of year 1, and then you lose 15%, so you retain 85%. This is why you get 14,450. At the end of year 3, you're losing 15% of the previous year, so this is why you get 12,250. So this is the illustration that allows you to see the drop in price. Now, as I said, 20,000 is not really critical here. It could be any other number, but the idea would be the same. So, moving down, I want you to pay attention to the following. This value of 14,450 also was achieved by solving the following equation. Original price times 0.85 to the power of 2. So now n, or the exponent, 2 represents year 2, 20,000 represents first year in the beginning, so the price of the car is 14,450. So this is the formula that we will be using to find the solution to the problem. So the equation right here will be defined as follows. P0 is the original value, 0.85 is the exponent, n is represents the value of the number of years, and p is the end price of the car. So since our car is dropping by 50%, so we can definitely say that p is equal half of P0. So now you will see that to know the original price was not really that important, because P0, that's a common factor on both sides, will get eliminated in the process. So we can divide both sides by P0. P0 is not equal to 0, therefore it is safe to divide. So the left side is simply 1 over 2, and the right side is 0.85 to the power of n. So to solve for n, we are not going to use trial and error method. We will apply log to both sides, and we will extract that exponent n the next step. So log both sides. Log to base 10 of half is equal to log base 10 of 0.85 to the power of n. So now the rule says factor out this exponent. So n goes out, log 0.85. It's a definite number, and so is log of 1/2. To find n, you simply divide both sides by log to base 10 of 0.85, and the statement would look like so: log 0.85. Many times students tend to make the following mistake. They would use just one log and divide inside half by 0.85, which is incorrect. So you have to find separately the value of this logarithm, the value of that logarithm, and divide them. So in the end you will get 4.26. Or you can convert into years and months, so that will be 4 years and about 3 months. So this is the time that will be required to drop its price by 50%. Thank you very much for watching it, and I see you next time.